Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Now today I am going to be reviewing a lip kit. It is from Hot Ombre Cosmetics and this is it right here. Now I'm already wearing it, so it looks cute. And I want to go into this because I recently mentioned this in a Get Ready With Me, and I feel that it needs a bit more information behind it and a little bit more of a video about it because it's a lipstick. So, and we're a makeup channel, so this is what we're going to do. So, I'm on the website here. They do a few different ones. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades that you can buy. They also have a lip balm as well. And then they do a lip ombre full lip collection for... Okay. So the price is, the full lip collection is £52. Which actually is a pretty good deal. They didn't have that when I ordered this, or I would have got that. So I could have done like a whole swatch on everything. Because I like it. It's cute. It takes a little bit of practice to get the ombre fade right. But this is my first time using it, that I'm wearing it now. So I think with a little bit more playing with as well, it'll get even better. Yeah, so the one I'm wearing today is called Burnt Brulee. They also have Toasted Peach. And they have Desert Grunge and Scorched Candy and Fire Alarm. I think Fire Alarm is new, but nice for Valentine's Day. The one I actually have is currently sold out on the website, yes. And these are £18 full price. So this is what it says. This scrumptious ombre lipstick is the luscious nude matte you need right now. Delicious yet rich, these shades are ideal to set off any beauty look with minimal effort and maximum impact. Key features developed to last all day. We're going to try this. I'll put this on now. The time is 1 o'clock. So I put it on like 10 minutes ago. So the time is now 1 o'clock and we will do check-ins throughout the day. So no flaking or drying out. Yeah. So far, didn't flake, and my lips don't feel dry. They actually feel quite normal. Smooth and easy to apply, yes. Smooth and easy to apply, I will say 100%. That's what it was like. So that's true. You will see when I do the application video just how smooth they are. I was a bit surprised. Some of the more higher premium end liquid lipsticks that I've worn, not as smooth. So I was surprised. Specifically designed to blend and create flawless ombre lip. Yeah, vegan friendly, excellent. Cruelty free, also excellent. Right, it says here how to apply. Start by making sure your lips are exfoliated to remove any dead skin. Yeah. Apply the darker shade Burn to the lips, ensuring complete coverage on both lips. That's what I did. 3. Apply the lighter shade Brulee as marked on the end of the lipstick in the innermost part of your lips. Feather the edges of the lighter shade into the darker shade and blend together by softly patting with your finger or alternatively a very fine makeup brush. Did that. Wait 60 seconds, then apply Hot Shine Balm over the top of the lipsticks to bring out the colours. And provide shine to lips if needed. I kind of don't like that. They kind of snuck that in there. I mean, if they're telling you should use it, then shouldn't it be in the kit? But whatever. To remove the lipstick, use any waterproof makeup remover. We recommend it to be alcohol-free to stop the lips drying out. I'll just use a cleansing oil to take it off later. This will be fine. And then there's the ingredients there as well. And then there is a tutorial here as well from someone. Oh. Okay, right, well, let's get into the actual shade box then. So I did already swatch them, but here, so it comes in this container here. It's actually really nice packaging. I actually really like this. On the back, you have the ingredients, where it's made. And yeah, I was right, it's made in UK, it's made in Liverpool. Always happy to support UK made makeup and small brands, I think is important. So it has a 12-month expiry date. It says expiry 10th month 2021. I'm guessing that's when Okay. Designed in UK, made in PLC. Open this up. So it opens like this.
And
Let's try this again. So it opens. Oh my god. So it opens like this here. The packaging is really nice. All this design is really nice. I can see someone put thought into this and made the effort with it. So it comes in here. This is a cute box. This is it here. So if you can see that, it says Hot Ombre Cosmetics on there. And on this side it says Immortal Matte Lip Ombre Kit. So I'm guessing that's what they're calling their liquid lipsticks, the Immortal Matte. And you have step 1, which is burnt. And then it says on the other side, step 2, brulee. So let's go in with the burn and do a swatch. Really sweet scented smell. It kind of smells like creme brulee. I don't know if the other ones smell differently to their kind of name. I guess, well, fire alarm can't smell like fire, so maybe not. Maybe this is just their scent. It's really nice anyway. It smells like sweets, like sweet cake. I'm just doing the other one with the swatch as well. Apply on the hands. It does go on a little bit streaky, but don't panic, because as soon as you apply it to your lips, it doesn't do that. So these are the 2 shades here. Burnt, the dark one, and Brulee, the lighter one here. So the swatches are really nice. It just swatch really easy. It's a really smooth formula. Just trying to dry these down so you can see them matte. They're nice. I like it. Now, the application video is from a Get Ready With Me that I will slot in right here so you can enjoy. Okay, so I'm also going to be doing a wear test, and I'm going to be checking in, popping in video clips here and there. So that will be after the application video. And I also do share some comments about how I feel the application works. So I'm just going to draw this on. Let's see. Okay, so first impressions, it applied really easily, really smoothly. You can look how beautiful it looks. The colour is gorgeous. It smells like creme brulee. It smells like creme brulee. It smells like sweet. It doesn't feel dry or tight actually. It just feels like it's sitting comfortably on my lips, which is quite nice. Tiny bit sticky, but I think it might be still drying down, so I think that's it. Step 2 is brulee, just in the centre. Yeah, it's nice. I'm going back in with the darker one, just a little bit. It's nice. Is it an ombre? Not really. I mean, it looks nice though. I was trying to get it lighter in the middle. Maybe I didn't go high enough. It is an ombre, actually. It's quite nice. I don't know if I was expecting it to be more dramatic, and I don't know if you can see this, but I feel that since I applied the second one, oh, it feels like there's a lot of product on my lip. Is it because it's drying? Okay, feels a bit better now. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued to see how well this wears. Yeah, so it actually feels, now it's fully dry, quite nice. Transfer test. No transfer. Kiss Bruce for Valentine's Day, honey. But no, you know what? I'm intrigued to try out the other colours. I am going to do a wear test with this as well every few hours. And I'm not going to reapply or anything. I'm just going to do my normal day. And we will see. Hey guys, the time is 20 past 3. So it's been 3.5 hours since I applied. That's what it looks like. It's cracking a little bit here. But on the whole, it still looks pretty good. I mean, I've ate a bowl of soup, some toast, and I had a dessert as well. And this is pretty much what's left here. But I find every lipstick that I wear does this. Does anybody else feel like in the corners you just get little cracks? I don't know. Does anybody else feel like that? It doesn't feel dry. It feels a bit tight though. It does feel a little bit tight. I'm not going to lie. It does feel a bit tight. But generally it's looking pretty good still. See you in a few hours. So the time is 9 o'clock. This is check-in number 2. And it's been on for my lips for quite a while now. It's still there. From a distance, it still looks cute. But there isn't much of an ombre. But I mean, it stays on enough for me to not be too bothered by it. It is drying a bit, but I think that's a mixture of my lips and the lipstick. It still feels really, really comfortable. Like it doesn't feel tight, or I don't feel it on my lips. Some lipsticks I feel it on my lips when I'm just relaxing and things, and I really can't feel it. So, I mean, yeah, it is a bit dry. Would you have to reapply this? I would say yeah, after 5 hours or so. But I mean, who's wearing lipstick for more than 5 hours, really? Without touching it up, especially eating and things like this. Because I have literally just ate. I haven't really done anything, not touched anything else up either. But yeah, so I would say that I definitely enjoy this lipstick. And it's worth checking out because the results were beautiful. So the final clip got lost somehow. I don't know where it went. But my final thoughts on this lipstick is that you should definitely try it. It lasted a very long time, even through eating and drinking without reapplication. It does feel a little bit drier, but again, remember my lips were a bit dry. But it's long lasting, it applies smooth, smells great. I'm excited to try other colours and wear it more. But honestly, on first impressions, I think it's a great lipstick. It's a great price. And it's definitely worth trying out if you're looking for a liquid lipstick that's on the lower end of the budget that still feels super comfortable and super long wearing. So overall, I would approve this lipstick. And I actually am looking forward to getting a few more shades, trying out a few of the different ombre fades. I think it will be quite exciting. But thank you for watching, guys. And I hope you have a lovely day, evening, afternoon, whatever you are doing. And I send you lots and lots of love. Bye, guys.